How to get HBO Max for free with AT&T. Step 1. Log into your AT&T account through the official website or the AT&T app. Make sure that your plan includes HBO Max access, which is usually the benefit that comes with certain unlimited or fiber plans. Step 2. Go to the add-ons and apps section and look for HBO Max. You will see an option that says Activate HBO Max and click on it. Step 3, you will be redirected to the HBO Max login page, and then choose sign in with a provider and select AT&T. Log in using your AT&T credentials. Step 4, once you are signed in, you will automatically gain full access to HBO Max. You can now install the HBO Max app on your devices and sign in using the same provider method. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.